subscribe and click the
Murag klaro kayo nakainom na si boss ba? Pero ba? Kasi yan tayo.
Yes, Mr. President. Bakit? Bakit mabubasan ang kaso? Eh, may kasama akong pulis rin dyan. Hindi naman ako nagpapahiro. I'm not trying to picture myself as a crusader na... Of course, kasama ko yung mga pulis.
Sorry, Mr. President, perhaps mali po yung terminology. Not filing of the case in court, pero any case po yung for investigation
Marami.
by the DOJ. Also meron po. So, going back po, just to clarify, yung vigilante killings of 3 to 4 persons, likewise, meron rin pong investigation. Okay, Mr. Chair, that clarifies it po.
Automatic yan.
So, filing the investigation meron.
It's the police, but it's the fiscal who will decide.
Yes.
Ang critical stage is the fiscal.
Yes.
Whether or not there is a crime committed, or if there is a crime or an act committed, whether it is legal or illegal.
Thank you for the clarification, Mr. President.
Illegal, wala yan.
So earlier, yung binanggit po natin na 3 to 4 persons and then 2 to 3 persons of police, what I meant was fiscal po na investigation, not cases filed in court. At meron naman po. Likewise, Mr. President, yung pinatay po ninyo yung kidnapping incident, yung sa Cotabato, tapos bumalik, kumain sa bahay, paglabas, you confronted them, tapos pinatay po ninyo. Likewise, there was a investigation by the fiscal.
Yes.
And the case was dismissed.
Alam ko, pag pinara sila ng pulis, yung laod, the owner of that laod thing, it was the laod, pulis yan, the owner of laod firing range. Yun ang pumapasok sa gitna, pinara sila. Tapos paglabas nila, may karbe na nandito ako sa tabi.
Mr. President, was that SPO4 Jim Tan? Is that SPO4 Jim Tan, yung may-ari ng Laod Firing Range?
Ay, ang may-ari ng laod, is laod.
Sorry, ano po yung full name po niya, Mr. President, if you would recall?
Hindi mo.
So it was just Laod?
Laod?
Laod.
You can easily get it by just home.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, moving on with the next question po, no? Just to follow up on the question by Congressman Manuel. In relation to the vetting of the drug matrix, you mentioned po earlier that in the initial drug matrix that you came out, there was no vetting involved. You said it was job of the police, yet there was a drug matrix that came from your office. Is that correct, Mr. President? If I am not mistaken, during the course of our investigation, there are allegedly 4 versions of your drug matrix.
Hindi ko na kuha yung tanong mo.
Mr. President, I will rephrase. In the interpellation of Congressman Manuel, there was a talk about the drug matrix or yung narco list po ninyo. And you mentioned that it is the job of the police to vet. You do not vet. However, your office came out with its own drug matrix. So if it did not pass through the police, this underwent no vetting process. Is that a fair statement, Mr. President?
Vetting is a job of the law enforcement. It is shared by everybody. NBI, ipapasa yan. It's not only a requirement, it's their duty. Nagpapasahan kami ng information.
But Mr. President, yes, you mentioned that it would be the job of the PNP. So you mentioned now that it is coordinated with you. The PNP would coordinate that information with you.
Yes,
For the
as
reason.
mayor. Correct.
Mr. President, we're talking about the drug matrix that you released as president, not as mayor. The one that you released upon assumption of your office in 2016.
Yes. What about?
So this was vetted by the PNP. Was PIDEA involved, Mr. President?
I'm confused now. What is your, what's the question?
Mr. President, I'll rephrase. Particularly during your presidency, hindi na po nung panahon na kayo ay mayor. When you sat as president, you came out with the drug matrix. Now, I believe part of the interpellation of Congressman Manuel was that there was a question kung vetted po ito. Ang sabi po ninyo, hindi vetted. But now you're saying vetted naman po siya by the police, not by you. So you confirm po that, Mr. President.
Lahat ng listahan na dumadating sa akin, clear, binabasa ng babayan, ng military, ng police.
And Mr. President, the PIDEA was involved in this initial list.
Oh, pagka-drugs, PDEA talaga dapat.
I believe the drug matrix was used for the identification of yung mga HVT po ninyo, yung high-value target. So it is involved with drugs. So PIDEA should have been involved.
Yes, it's always the PDEA who would be the agency to give us the information.
Mr. Chairman, through the committee secretariat, may we know if DG Lazo is here with us today?
Yeah, I think we invited DG Lasso. I don't know if he also received the cancellation notice, but I saw him earlier at the ground floor. I just don't know if he's still present.
Mr. President, there was one master list then at the time of your assumption. Yet there was updating through various agencies. Who was the agency in charge for putting them merging into a master list?
PDEA talaga.
But Mr. President, PIDEA said now that they have no participation in all three versions of the master list that you gave.
They have a master list. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Bobo ito mga gagawin to kung hindi nila ginawa yun.
Mr. President, if I may remind you to please refrain from using foul language para po hindi po mapunta sa record.
It's not, bobo is actively bobo. There's
Mr.
no other word for it actually.
Just a reminder. So please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, I won't belabor the point.
Mr. Chair. Mr. President, it's not bobo, it's gago. You said gago a moment ago. Sir.
Mr. Chairman, may we move to delete the word GAGO in the record of this Congress?
There is a motion to strike off from the record the word GAGO as
I
pointed out.
object,
earlier.
Mr. Chair.
Your Honor.
I would rather the word should be in the record. Correct. Tama yan.
Could you name those 7 people? Kung pwede niyo po ipangalan yung 7 members ng DDS na yan po.
Members ng DDS.
Your personal civilian DDS, which you mentioned is apparently counter-insurgency force.
Ano ato mo? Ato mo ni graphics star mo niya kuan.
They exist. Why would
Sponsor
I
niya.
tell you the names
Sponsor ni graphics star.
now?
Oh. Sa kuan. Vigil ba?
Hindi mo sa akin, stupido.
Mr.
Tara,
President,
sa
because we're in
una
an
sa
investigation in
Pacific
aid
mo.
of legislation and we're ruling out that if they were in
Oh,
drug war,
sa kuan.
Huwag mo kong isalid dyan because I would be putting the people in danger. Yung inyong legislation, mine is law and order. We are far apart in our discussion dito.
Bayt yun. Huibis.
Pero mo, bigay mo yung pangalan mo, you put the family and the persons in danger.
Okay, admit to lunis.
Mr.
But
President,
the proper question, ganon.
Can you please rephrase your question?
Daan naman to dito sa balay nila nga
with all due
gihungitan na
respect,
gatas.
the question of
Di na mo
identifying
kaon,
these
bagatas
members
na lang.
was to
Basta mag
really look
kaon nimo
for
maghinay,
purpose
maghinay
because
kaon
we're trying
nimo.
to
Awa na
differentiate
padugod
now
ka na.
those that are within the bounds of law and those
Na
that are
abot nga
without
tugi.
in
Kuan
relation to the drug
dextrose,
war.
matunulian.
I'm sure
Pagkaugma,
that, it
wala
would
na sa
be
mukaon.
also
Yan tingog sa nagkahinay.
responsibility. Huwag ka na maghanap ng iba. Ano yung 7-7 mo, dito ka na lang tututok sa akin. Ilan ko bang beses
Nasa
sabihin
kuwan,
ninyo,
coronary.
I take full responsibility. If you think
St.
that it's
Peter.
illegal or wrong, file a case. I will be happy. Bakit pa tayo dito mag-drama dyan?
Thank you, Mr. President. I had a few more questions, but given the time constraint, I will yield to other interpellators. Maraming salamat po, President. Mr.
Let's have a
President.
cup
Thank
of
you.
coffee and I will tell you everything.